Top reasons for me to come to the annual meeting are to learn kind of what's new in not only my field of cornea, but also all of ophthalmology.
The new things that we learn at Academy are always important because it keeps us in the forefront of what's new and how we can best serve our patients.
The networking, getting a chance to see my friends and connect with ophthalmologists who inspire me is the absolute best.
See you in New Orleans.
See you in New Orleans.
See you in New Orleans.
See you in New Orleans.